got an awful lot of stuff in here, and a goodly bit of it is banjo or musical instrument related. And I'm gonna try to set them way in the back, way back there, and try to set other things, like things that Honey Baby might want later, kind of over to one side. So yeah, I'll just you know, get started here, and we'll see how it goes. That's working pretty good, you know, as far as finding a place to put the banjos where they aren't too much in the way. This thing here is a hammer dulcimer. It will be a lot of fun to play with after a while. I can see where maybe having some shelves would be good in here. There's a store over in Hartwell that sells second-hand furniture. I might be able to go over there and get me some shelves. Sometimes the Salvation Army or the Goodwill store will have some shelves in there too. But there's a lot of things here that would be better if they were set up on some shelves. I've got some things here marked as wood shop. I want them to go in different colors. I'm pretty sure those are all going to be woodworking tools of some sort or another. Just a pile over here for those. Probably the best thing to do is to just unload and maybe not get too involved in trying to organize things. Just get stuff out of the trailer for now, and then I can come back later and I'll maybe put some shelves in here and different things like that. Okay, I think it's safe to say I've probably lightened the load on that trailer by quite a lot. Yeah. And I think everything in there can just stay in there. A lot of old pictures, some videotapes and different things like that. I don't even know for sure what's all in there, but it's stuff that can be sorted out later. The shell sign is in there. I know at least one of you is interested in the whereabouts of that. The big Coke sign is in there. The big sign that I used to put all y'all stickers on is in there. The tags that all YouTubers sent me are in this pink bag here. As far as banjos goes, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I have 2 more up at the house. Oh, 13, I didn't count this one. So it gives me 15 banjos, which is not enough. But it'll get me by till I get more. And yeah, musical instruments. These are grinders and various and sundry different things. Yeah, I think most of this is banjo related here. This over here is woodworking related. That's some stuff that I think Honey Babe might want. I ought to put this picture back here or someplace out of harm's way. This is a picture we took of wasn't our very first real race car, but I guess you could call it the first serious race car. We had to, well, I guess it was our first race car. I was thinking we pulled the motor out of one, but that wasn't our car. That was just the motor that went into this one that we blew up on the first race. Yeah, them was good days, mighty fun. Cheap entertainment. Wasn't that cheap at the time, but kept us out of jail. Oh, these are just writing pads. This is some kind of router thing. Put it over here for the woodwork. That's a piece of maple. I saved hardwoods for banjo making. I have a few. All right. Let's set these banjo stands back here out of the way. I still got plenty of room in here, even with all that. And there is more coming, but I think we can fit everything in here easily enough. That's a good start.